Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to talk about how to learn wizard spells and how to prepare and swap out your wizard spells. So, when you're running around the game, you might be playing as your own wizard, you might just have Gale in your party, but whatever it happens to be, you can, at any time, if you open your inventory and you have a scroll of something, if you don't know it yet, you can right-click it, and you can click to learn the spell. Now, I've already learned this spell, or I know it for whatever reason, so I don't need to, but if you find yourself in possession of a scroll that Gale or your own wizard doesn't know, you can typically right-click that spell, and then for a cost of a few hundred gold, or however much gold it is, it depends on the spell level. Like, this cheap spells are like 50 gold, and then it's like 100, 200, something like that. You can learn that spell by clicking on it, and now it's entered into your repertoire. We now know Mirror Image. And then if we close the multi-person inventory window and go back to our inventory as Gale, you can go to your spell book at any time, because you're a wizard, as long as you're not in combat. I don't think I'll let you do it in combat. But right after you've done like a long rest is a perfect time to do it, you can go through and you can say like, oh, I don't want Fog Cloud, I'd rather have Thunder Wave, because I'm about to do a big combat with a bunch of different enemies. It'd be good to have some AoE. And you can hot swap out based upon like how many spell slots you have. You've got like 2 third level spell slots. I've got, 3 second level, 4 first level. That's how many spells I want to work with. It's a good idea to prepare an accordingly number of spells. Like, I'm not going to use a lot of third tier spells. It's only got 2 slots. It's only really slotted slow for that purpose. Similarly, you might want a lot more second level spells, and then the lion's share, maybe you want to have mostly first level spells. Just as a thought. So that's kind of how you do that. There's little tabs up here to do all sorts of things inside of Baldurs Gate, from giving yourself crazy illithid powers to having a spell book with all the different things that you can do swapped in and out. So I hope you found that helpful. This is how you kind of change around spells as a wizard and learn them. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.